So hello viewers, welcome to MBS Learning. So in this video, we are going to see about the chest pains related to the cardiovascular system in the front thoracic region. So now let's get into the video. So first, arrhythmias. Arrhythmias is the irregular heart rhythm which is caused by the improper functioning of the sinoarterial node, which produces electrical signals which makes the heart muscle pump blood. So when a person has arrhythmia, he will be palpilated, he will have palpilation, he will have shortness of breath and dizziness. So then pericarditis. Pericarditis is the inflammation of the protective layer of the heart, pericardium. So when a patient has pericarditis, he will have severe central chest pain, and he may feel better when he leans forward. Then pulmonary embolism. What is pulmonary embolism? So there are very tiny branches of these pulmonary arteries, and as they are very small, any embolus which is formed in any other part of a body travels through the blood and obstructs the pulmonary arteries. You may have the pulmonary embolism. So that is pulmonary embolism. So a patient with pulmonary embolism will have pains in the central chest and even the sides of the chest. He may also cough blood, and he may have shortness of breath. Then valve diseases. So there are many valves in the human heart. So when these valves get infected by any other disease, like even because of endocarditis. Endocarditis is the inflammation of the inner layer of the heart, and they get affected by stenosis. Stenosis means the stiffness of the heart valves, or they become floppy. The heart works harder to pump blood to other parts of the body. So during this time, the heart sometimes fails to function and may end up in this heart failure. And sometimes the heart will feel harder to pump blood to the upper portion of the body, like the head, neck and eyes. So the patient may also get stroke. So then angina. Angina means the heart is not receiving enough amount of oxygenated blood. So due to this angina, the person gets severe heart pain, dizziness, and even he becomes tired. So then this thing we all know, often we hear this in many things, like heart attack. Yes, it is heart attack. So when a person gets heart attack, a part of the heart's muscle is dead. So this may be caused by coronary artery disease, where the coronary artery, the artery which gives blood for the heart muscles, gets obstructed. So during a heart attack, as we know, the person gets severe central chest pain. He faces dizziness, shortness of breath, and he also he will be unconscious during that time. So I want to say this to you all, like if any person you know or yourself is having shortness of breath, coughing blood, severe central chest pain, even though after a period of rest, please have an immediate medical attention. Seek for it. So that's all. Today's MBS journey is over. See you soon with the next video. Thank you. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and bye. See you soon.